Okay, that was all Lucy's fault. She messed me up. But we have 2 left to do. Okay, so this one is a little bit different because 2p minus 7 into, now it doesn't skip any terms, 2p squared plus 7p minus 39. But the divisor has a coefficient. It's not just a 1 here. So can you chill? It's not just a 1 here. But the process is going to be exactly the same. What do I multiply a 2p by to get 2p squared? Well, it's already a 2, so I don't need to multiply by a coefficient, but I do need to multiply it by another p. And then we distribute. P times 2p is 2p squared, and p times negative 7 is negative 7p. Don't cancel these out. Don't, be careful. We're subtracting, remember? So 2p minus 2p, or 2p squared, sorry, minus 2p squared is 0. 7, we're subtracting negative 7. So when we subtract a negative 7, we add 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14p. And then we bring down the next term, negative 39. So now we do it again. What do I multiply 2p by to get 14p? So 2 times what is 14? That's 7. And then p to the first, and this one's p to the first. So no more p's. And then we distribute. 7 times 2 is 14p. And 7 times negative 7 is negative 49. And then we subtract. 14 minus 14 is 0. 39, that would become plus 49. So negative 39 plus 49 is 10. So we get p plus 7 plus 10 over 2p minus 7. And then our last one kind of has a mix of several of those things. So the other thing is that this one's not in standard form. Everything should be in standard form. So the x needs to come before the 7. So we do 7x plus 7 as the divisor, and then into, now this one also skips. So 42x squared, it skips an x to the first term. So remember that we need to put a 0x to the first in there to hold that place so that we are going to be able to line up like terms. Minus 33. Okay, so we look at the first term and the first term. What do we multiply 7 by to get 42? That's 6. And then this is an x to the first. We want an x to the second, so I need to multiply it by another x. Because when we multiply, we add exponents. X to the first times x to the first is x to the second. So 6 times 7 is 42. X squared. 6 times 7 is 42, x to the first. And then we subtract. 42 minus 42 is 0. 0 minus 42 is negative 42x. And we bring down the minus 33. What do I multiply 7x by to get negative 42x? So they both already have an x to the first, but 7 times negative 6 would give me the negative 42. So that's a negative 6. And then we distribute. Negative 6 times 7 is negative 42x. And negative 6 times 7 is negative 42. And then we're going to subtract. So that will be negative 42. This will turn to plus 42. So negative 42 plus 42 is 0. Negative 33 plus 42 is 9. So 6x minus 6. And then the remainder is 9 over 7x plus 7.